Welcome to Dog Black Asia in the Jungle number 4, and probably the last time I'll be here for quite a while. It's been nice here in the jungle, being free and listening to all the birds chattering and talking to each other. I feel like a vet here with my stethoscope. I check that all the animals are healthy and okay. Being here in the jungle is nice. Even I do, though, miss a few things from my old luxury life, like chocolate, luxury beds. I haven't slept in a normal bed for quite a while, and the only bad thing here is probably going to be the mosquito bites. They're really painful, and they're so annoying as they are everywhere. The bees are fine though, and they just buzz around happily. We need to save the bees because they're in terrible danger. So you can do what you can to save the bees. And out here in the jungle, I'm pretty sure that you would live a day, but I'm amazing, which is why I'm still alive. Uh-oh, bug. Look at this apple. I just got it from the trees. Look at this orange. It's fresh from the trees. But all of these foods are very, very delicious. You should come here to the jungle and try these fresh fruits picked from the trees. They are so delicious and so fresh. Some of the monkeys have stolen my fruit, but I share it with them because I can. Now eat this orange. Eat it. Eat the orange. The trees provide a lot of oxygen out here, you know. Really nice to breathe in and breathe out. It's amazing just how trees provide oxygen, but you and your luxury life are cutting the trees down. So maybe you can do what you can to save these very trees. And I've seen trees grow from a little tiny little tree into a giant oak tree. And you really can do what you can to save these trees. Oxygen. And another sad thing around here is you have to walk miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and miles to get oxygen. Well, not oxygen. You have to walk miles to get water. And it's really, really annoying and frustrating, and you just have to walk, and my feet really hurt from all of that walking. So, but still, it's lovely to be out here than in luxury, and the jungle is an amazing place with beautiful sounds and extraordinary animals. You should come here one day. Time to the jungle. When I wake up in the morning, there's a lot to see. But mostly when I get up in the morning, I see green, green, green. Green, green, green. Green is everywhere. Green is everywhere. In the trees and in the bushes. Or when I get up in the morning, I get greeted with a lovely bird song. Tweet, 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 tweet. It's lovely to hear in the morning, but if I was in my old luxury life, I would just be getting up and watching TV or burning my eyeballs out or just playing video games on the Nintendo Switch all day. That's super boring. It sounds boring because, well, I'm not doing it right now. But if you're doing it, you get addicted to the screen and you just can't stop. You can clicking and clicking. Your eyeballs are burning, but you can't feel it because you're too busy. You just have to finish the game. But out here, your eyes don't hurt because you're always looking at trees, and trees give oxygen to your eyes, which makes your eyes fine. It's really nice and fresh out here, being free and not having to worry. You agree with me? I thought you would. It's really free, nice, amazing. It's just sometimes I meditate. I'm trying to break Einstein's theory about gravity. I almost have it. Almost. Almost. You should practice at home with me. I'm doing it. I'll almost be able to do it. And maybe you should practice too. Instead of watching TV all day, meditation is good for a calm and healthy mindset. And totally delicious. Try again. What? Hum, 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 Being a doctor in this jungle, I have a lot to do. I can release my inner doctor self and I can investigate and I find new and amazing animals every day. Like a new species of chameleon, very small, probably the smallest reptile in this whole world. And new kind of species of birds and some birds that just don't fly. I even learned things about them, like facts, like why ostriches can't fly because their bones are hollow, why birds can fly because their bones are hollow, why trees don't float about because they're hollow. I don't know. I need to search that, but I don't have Google out here, so I have to figure it out. Not that that's a problem, because it'll be another adventure for me. Mostly, if you want to know something, you have to Google it. Google everything. But out here, you can just look for it, find it, be happy about it, and then move on to the next amazing adventure. Now, I am Doc. Subscribe to this channel, comment down below, and please like that button.